Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I have been receiving many comments and questions regarding exactly what is the syllabus of physics in ATC as well as the airport operations. So in this video I'll be discussing as to what the exact syllabus is. Come starting with the airport operations. In the part B, physics is included. And as per the latest official syllabus, it has been mentioned as questions of physics class 12 level 40%. So what exactly is class 12? How do you know what is there in the class 12? So the answer to this question is mostly all the central government jobs and the UPSC jobs, everybody they always refer the class 12 of the CBSE syllabus. So CBSE is our central board of secondary education. In this they will be having topics on physics, biology and other things. So when we say class 12, that means they are referring to the CBSE syllabus of class 12 of physics subject. So next we'll move ahead to the ATC syllabus. If you carefully see in the ATC syllabus, they have mentioned the physics. They have given some topics like electrostatics, current, electricity, moving charges, magnetism, electromagnetic waves propagation, optics, electronic devices, laws of motion, as so and so, and then this etc. So if you see these, all these topics are also there in the physics of the class 12 and class 11 of the CBSE physics. Since AI is also central government, so mostly they'll be referring to the CBSE physics syllabus only. So you have to cover the physics syllabus of this CBSE book. So what exactly the book is? CBSE has. I'll be sharing the class 12 book of physics here. This is the cover of the and of the physics class 12. So it is divided into two parts. The book. So part one, I'll be telling you how what are the contents of this. So all these contents are a part of the syllabus of the airport operations as well as the ATC of the physics subject. So starting with the first chapter is the electric charges and fields. Then we have the electrostatic potential and the capacitance. Then the third chapter is electricity. This was very clearly mentioned in the ATC syllabus. Even the moving charges and magnetism. This is also very clearly told in ATC. Magnetism and matter. Electromagnetic induction is the sixth chapter. Chapter 7 is alternating current. Chapter 8 is electromagnetic wave. This constitutes the part 1 book. Now if you see the part 2 book, some other chapters are there like the ray optics and optical instruments, wave optics. These are very clearly mentioned in ATC. Dual nature of radiation and matter. And then chapter 12 is the atoms, nuclei. Chapter 14 is the semiconductor devices. From the past 2 3 days I am making video on semiconductor devices. So this all the diagrams I have taken from this book only, which consists chapter 14 of the physics syllabus of CBSE class 12. So this is what extrinsic tag p junction semiconductor diode. So this book is what is the reference book for you, for ATC as well as AO physics. You have to refer these books, and I suggest you to go through the chapters of this book. The CBSE book is also available free on its website. I suggest you to download, and I recommend you to just go through all these topics so that you know exactly what is there in the book and what exactly you can expect from the in the exam. Don't believe anybody who is saying that this is there in the syllabus, this is not there in the syllabus. I have clearly shown you as to what exactly the airport authority syllabus says and what is there in the book. I hope this makes it very clear for you to actually study which topics are important and which are not, and what is the reference book for all these subjects. I hope this video was informative, and if you have liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.